The vendor forum is an opportunity for small businesses around Fairfax County, as well as any businesses around the Washington, D.C. metro area to come and network with our government departments as well as each other. And it will be held on Thursday, October 6th.
Of course, today we're talking about planning the vendor forum.
The Small Business Commission is actually our primary sponsor of the event. They're the ones who organize it, find the speakers, as well as kind of speak to the current needs of the small businesses within Fairfax County. So they're really our sponsors as well as the primary drivers of the event. So the vendor forum really starts with our plenary session where we'll have a main speaker as well as different workshops and breakout sessions where different speakers will come and talk about their expertise. But the vendor forum primarily consists of our reverse vendor trade show, where exhibitors, which will be the Fairfax County departments, as well as other local government jurisdictions, will come and be able to network with our vendor community at large. An event like this is important because a lot of times with government contracting and subcontracting, it's a cumbersome process, it's very impersonal, but with the vendor forum, with our reverse vendor trade show, as well as the networking opportunities available, you'll be able to really put a face to the name and make it a personal experience for all of our business community.